Are you looking for a healthy, incredibly simple, and luxurious side dish? Well, spring is asparagus season, and this recipe is a wonderful companion to all kinds of main dishes. One of the biggest challenges that many people face is keeping their asparagus fresh until they're ready to use it. The best solution is to trim the ends of the stalks slightly and place into a wide-mouthed jar or glass with a few inches of water and then store in the refrigerator. When filming this, I doubled the recipe, which leads me to a helpful tip to keep in mind. When serving asparagus lovers, plan to serve a half a pound per person or a quarter pound for everyone else. Once your asparagus is rinsed well, let drain, whisk together the olive oil mixture, and then trim the tough woody ends off of the asparagus using one of the three options shown. The easiest way to roast the asparagus is on a sided cookie sheet because it is large enough to hold the 2 bunches of asparagus and will keep the juices from spilling over into your oven. Another important tip is to roast the asparagus in a single layer and to stir halfway through cooking. This will ensure even cooking on all the spears. One question that many people have is whether the baking pan needs to be lined with parchment or foil. Doing so really is a personal preference. It will not impact the final product one way or another, it just makes for easier cleanup. Once the asparagus is done roasting, transfer to a platter and make sure to pour the excess juices from the pan back over the asparagus, top with lemon zest and freshly grated Parmesan. This roasted asparagus is so delicious and tastes amazing next to salmon, shrimp, pork, beef, and chicken. Also, it tastes just as amazing the next day cold. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.